In this video, you will learn how to Photoshop your body. No, we won't be doing this in the popular Adobe software. Instead, we'll be using PhotoWorks, a user-friendly photo editor. Once you open your picture with PhotoWorks, switch to the Retouch tab and pick the Body Sculpt tool. Here you'll see 4 tabs: Slim, Enhance, Legs, and Reshape. First, let's make the model's body slimmer. Zoom in the photo. Now you need to select the body area, from the neck to the knees. If the arms are placed along the body, be sure to include them too. Once you're done, adjust the amount slider. The higher the amount, the slimmer the model will become. Now let's switch to the Enhance tab. Just select the body area you want to enlarge and drag the slider to the right. Add another selection to enhance another area. Now it's time to try the Legs tab. First of all, you'll need to select the legs area. Now drag the height slider to make the model look taller. You can also slim her hips and shins by adjusting the width slider. The Reshape tab comes equipped with manually controlled tools you can use to enhance selected body parts or fix items in the background. If some part of the picture got warped in the body sculpting process, you can easily fix it with the Shift tool. With the very same Shift tool, you can slim the body in just a few clicks. Let's see how it's done. If you brush from top to bottom, the pixels on the girl's waist will shift right, and if you brush from bottom to top, they'll shift left. Let's make the waistline even more slender. Use the Move tool to make the curve more prominent. The Shrink tool warps the pixels inwards. For example, this will allow you to easily flatten your stomach. Let's click the Before/After button to see the changes. Slimming is not the only enhancement you can perform with these tools. With them, you can also create a more athletic body. Let's put on some muscle using the Shift, Enlarge, and Move tools. You can easily fix any mistakes with the Reconstruct tool. Well, this is a night and day difference. Now you know how to transform your body without Photoshop. Visit our website to find more beautifying tools for your portraits.